Good morning, traders, and welcome to Forex Morning Briefing. My name is Anka Metcalf, and today is February 26, 2014, and it is 9:21 a.m. Eastern Time. And guys, welcome to Ranging Markets. As you can see here, we're going to go through the major currency pairs, and we're going to start with the Aussie dollar for today. In terms of economic releases at 10 a.m., so in just about 40 minutes, we're going to have new home sales here in the U.S. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to have a trade balance from New Zealand, and at 7:30 p.m., we have Australian capital, private capital expenditure. So let's take a quick look at the markets, and let's take a look at some ranges. Okay, so we have basic support right here. Just gonna drag a tool to emphasize this area. So 8950 is the key area for the breakdown for the Aussie dollar. So if the Aussie should reach this area, it has odds of continuing lower to the next support cluster, which is starting at 8720 and with a cushion into 0.8650. So a pretty steep retracement right here. Nevertheless, it ran into support right here. So we have daily support right above 90 cents. So it's actually really close to the 91 cent area. It's 90.73 right here. So this is definite resistance. And you could see the range right here is having a very hard time breaking south or breaking to the upside and continuing a little bit higher. So it does show that it's consolidating. Now, the fact that it's consolidating towards the bottom of this range suggests that it might attempt to try to break this support level. So like I said, if we're going to get a breach of the support level, we do have there is the possibility for the Aussie dollar to retrace lower, and like I said, for a first target area into 8740, 8750, even 8720 area. So this is for the Aussie dollar, and let's continue with the euro dollar. And I'm going to draw a quick retracement right here. And as you can see right now, it's just breaching this whole number right here. So it's entered into a sell. 8690 is the key area. If it breaks this area, then it has odds of continuing lower into the 3560 area. And we have definite, and so these are the key levels. These are this is resistance right here at 3770. If euro should reverse and challenge this area of 3770, then it has odds of continuing higher and challenging these triple tops right here, these highs into 3816. For the pound, we did have overnight news in the pound. We did have the GDP, second estimate GDP, that came out the same as the previous number release, and also the forecast came in at 0.7%. So definite key levels right here. We have support at 6611 level, and we do have an area of resistance, daily resistance, set at 6720. So these are the two major levels that we're going to look for. If it should trade below 1.6611, it has odds of continuing lower, and it enters into a tradable void onto the daily charts into next support level, that is 1.6315. If it should break to the upside, we can see a continuation into the 6821. So this is if it will break the 1.6723 area. Let's take a look at the dollar yen as well. You could see the major resistance that is going on right here at approximate level of 102.70. And we do have, I want to show you, we do have some buying pressure trying to set in right here, right above the whole number at 102. You could see that it's having a really hard time. But if we should break this area right here, under 102, just going to try to pinpoint it right here. So this is the decision line. This is the fulcrum point. So if we break this 102 level, then we have odds of continuing lower into the next support area, which is 101.40. So quite a tradable void. Also, let's take a look at the last currency pair for today, and this is the euro yen. You could see it right here. It has definite resistance already formed at 141.13. And we do have support that was set right here at 140.20, or even slightly below the whole number. You could see how it is trading quite below the 140 level. It can enter into a much larger tradable void into the 138.90 area. So I'm going to pinpoint that number at 139 being the break-even number. So again, you can see that it has entered into this tradable void. So odds are that this might continue lower into the whole number. Thank you so much for joining. This was all for today's update. Make sure you follow us on Twitter. It's twitter.com/OncomEdCalf, and on Facebook. It's facebook.com/TradeOutLoud. Thank you so much for joining me today, and see you next time.